Nobody writes for the solo cymbal anymore.
Remember that kitten, Billy? That was nothing compared to this. At least the kitten went quick, Billy.
I'm just waiting for firing line.
I'll get tough. I'll just call his bluff.
Just throw me a wet towel. I'll do it. One more rep.
Fine, I'll just fashion a crude mask from dryer hose and charcoal briquettes.
Do it again. Hold it. I'm not going to be able to do it like this, not mechanically. I'm going to need my timing light.
Why don't you go extinguish your dog?
You wouldn't know where it is, would you, old buddy? It's probably in my garage. You probably left it in there. Uh-huh. Yeah. I'll go get it.
I'm gonna buy an Ann Jillian poster later.
Puppy.
Back off or my lips get it.
Boy, they have a long house.
My AMC Pacer's in there.
But there are funny cartoons.
Are you done yet?
Finish my fine washables, then I'll douse the fire.
Are you chili fire? Do you want a light wrap there?
Oh, it melted my leisure suit.
Stay inside!
Oh, stay here, honey.
We're gonna change the dog's name to Crispy.
David, what happened?
It's okay.
You okay?
It's out, yeah. It's out.
Where's Sparkle?
I very quickly sold Sparkle to a farm where he'll be happier.
I'm sorry, Mike. Sparkle's dead.
No.
So, Billy, the little boy who looks just like you, went through terrible, irredeemable grief.
Hey, he sniffed my crotch.
Good books, all.
Hi, Dad.
Moo.
Mike. Come here a second, Mike.
And the mechanics, too. Come on.
Hey. Pete's gonna go shopping. Why don't you go give him a hand?
In his old Chevy?
Yeah, take off.
I might move while you're gone, but
Remember, David, never let it know that you're aware of its presence.
You stupid man.
Do you think it would know?
Yes.
I really should buy my own pictures for these frames.
Well, time to rake the shag.
Yeah, rental furniture is the way to go.
Do, not thinking about demons. Do, no demons.
Come on, put on John Philip Sousa. I'm dying to use these.
Hey.
Would you stop the whistling? We both know what's going on.
Killdozer! Oh no, it's a vacuum cleaner.
You know, I usually love movies packed with scenes of people vacuuming, but this one's leaving me a little cold.
Tom, the night Chicago died. Tom.
You have got to be kidding. Oh, real subtle.
Bingo.
Got that done in time for bingo.
Tum-tee-tum-tum, just taking my monkeyless garbage out to the curb. Da-tum-tee-tum. I can't wait to get back inside to my monkey. Ta-toodly-toon-ta-tum-tum.
Hey, you put me in bottles and cans only.
Hey, there's a perfectly good cantaloupe in here.
And look, here's that dog I killed. Well, I better get back to Abba.
Oh, man, I was right next to an old coffee filter in a diaper. Thanks, kid.
Dad is so going into the cornfield.
Look, here's another pet. Another toy. A pet. Another toy. A toy. A pet.
I think they better mow their gravel.
Yeah, thanks, kid. You're now part of the Dark Army.
Monkey's getting pyorrhea.
My point is, Billy, a man dies with a whimper, looking into the face of ultimate darkness.
I overtanned my ears.
A not unattractive girl. Floor it.
Do I smell chicken?
Why couldn't the monkey arrange this from inside the garbage can?
Good point.
Hey, baby, what's happening?
Fuck off.
It's an exciting tale of making an early supper.
Oh, rare. Just the way I like chicken.
Traffic's pretty light. He should be fine.
No, come on. What's happening? I really want to know.
Mike Douglas is on.
Oh, don't be so dramatic.
What's up? Oh, shit. Get him inside, will you? Why not? What? Where are you going?
People yelling.
What's going on? Where you going?
This guy is just wearing joggy shorts. Look at that.
I gotta go. We just got barbed wire at Blockbuster.
This car doesn't have an airbag. I'm very short.
What are you doing, Dave?
Could you look? Do I have corn in my teeth?
At least turn on the radio.
Monkey is frantically looking around for oil pans and light bulbs.
You do this and I will call a legion of Beanie Babies down on you.